Hey, hello, welcome back. My name is Amelia. In this video, we are going to start doing a little bit of customizing to our content. Specifically in this video, going to show how to actually insert or embed a video into your content. So we've got things like, YouTube and Vimeo, and we can do lots of other things with embedding. And WordPress has a really great way of being able to embed that particular kind of content into your posts or pages. So at the moment on our site, all we've got is this lovely little Hello World post as it comes default with your installation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add in a YouTube video, add in a Vimeo video, and then show you how to add in, say, like a Twitter status, and really quite easy to add these in. So in this Hello World post, I'm just going to go into the edit area, and this is going to take us through to the WordPress page or post editor screen. So it's saying that we can edit a post, and this is where we can add content, or you can edit existing content that you've got there. Now I'm not going to go through a tour of everything, so this is just a very quick video to show you how to embed videos into your content. So I've got a video here. Yes, it's Rick Astley. I'm into Rick Astley, so don't judge. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the URL. So I've just copy and pasted the URL, and I'm going to go back into the edit post. Now there's a couple of ways of being able to do this. The first way is if we just enter onto a new line underneath that first line of the content, we can just simply paste that in. Okay, so that's a really nice, easy way of being able to do that. So we'll click Update, and we'll go and have a look at what it looks like once it's all published. Let's have a look, and we should see that we've got our lovely Rick Astley video down below. Now sometimes you might not want to have your video that big, so we can actually add some parameters to be able to change the size of that, and there's a different way of going about it. So what we're going to do is going to remove this link. Yeah, we'll just remove it because we'll do it from scratch. So what WordPress has is things called shortcodes. Now shortcodes are just like, it's a little, exactly what it says, it's a shortcode, and what WordPress does with that shortcode is that it recognizes it as having to do a particular function. So I'll show what I mean. It's probably best to show by just typing it down. So to embed a YouTube video and to maybe make it a different size, we add in two of these square brackets, and in between the square brackets we're going to write the word embed. Okay, and outside of those square brackets we then add the URL link for the YouTube video, and then we add again another couple of square brackets, and in between we do a /embed. Okay, so that's the basic function of the embed feature, and this is a short code. So what happens when WordPress comes across this particular post, it'll see this embed code and go, right, I've got to do something with this embed code, and what it does is display the YouTube video. But what we can add in here just after that first embed, so we can add a space, we can add a width equals, and we can add, say, something like 420, which will be 420 pixels, and we can do a height, and we can add in, say, 315. Okay, so what you're looking to do is embed in the square brackets, put a width equals and in double quotes, and height equals whatever in double quotes. Add your link outside of those square brackets, and then again in square brackets put a /embed. So we're starting the embed shortcode, and we're finishing off the embed code, very similar to like how you would do HTML code if you're familiar with computer code at all. So let's now update that and get that all updated, and let's go and have a look at our post now. Okay, so you see that the size is actually a little bit smaller now, so it's probably a little bit more manageable, maybe. I don't know, totally up to you. Depends on how much Rick Astley you want to see on your screen. I like to see a lot, so I'd probably have it a bit wider than normal. Okay, so let's now add in a Vimeo, and it's exactly the same. So we've got a Vimeo video here, and it's a really gorgeous one about miniature Melbourne. If you get a chance, just do miniature Melbourne search in Vimeo and have a look at it. It is really quite cute. Someone's used a tilt shift filter on the video to be able to shoot little areas of Melbourne, so it makes it look like it's a little toy model, which is really quite cute. Anyway, digressing, let's go into the edit again and go back into the post editor, and again all we need to add is just the actual Vimeo link. Okay, so we can actually update that, and we'll go and have a look at what it looks like as well. So if anyone comes across this page, they're just going to see video of Rick Astley and then a video of this thing about Melbourne, and it's probably going to be quite confusing, but I don't really mind at the moment. So there we go. So we've got our YouTube video, and we've also got our Vimeo video there as well. And again, you can add those parameters with that embed feature where you can change the size of that particular video. But hey, I think this looks pretty nice the way it is. Alright, so the other thing that you might want to add into your content or embed into it, and using the embed feature with WordPress, is you might want to add in, say, a status, a Twitter status. So again, all we need to do is grab the URL of the link, and we go back to our post there, go to the edit area. And what I might do is I might add this up the top to be able to see it just up the top rather than beneath the video. So I'm just going to enter in a new line and go back up. Again, just paste in the URL and click update. And just wait for that to update. Let's go and have a look at the post, and we should see a little, kind of like it's called a Twitter card. So there we go. So you can actually, come and follow me. You can, click around and have a look at everything. So it's called a Twitter card, pretty much. All right, so that is it for this video. So I was just very quickly to show you how you can use that embed feature. So just to recap, I'll just go back into here to recap. So you can either paste the URL in, and that's all nice and easy. The other thing you could do is use this embed code. So that's it for the URLs and the embed features. So I'm going to leave it there, and in the next video I'm going to have a look at adding some share buttons and adding the ability to share your content on social media in a nice, easy way. So I'll leave this video here, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.